From Local 12, the Weather Authority. This is meteorologist Caroline Cohen's hour-by-hour forecast.
Welcome back and a very happy Wednesday. You need to keep that rain gear on hand, not just today, but pretty much through the rest of the work week. However, I do want to talk about today and tomorrow, more so tomorrow when we have that severe threat. But nonetheless, this afternoon and evening hours, we'll see some heavy widespread rain at times and some pretty heavy downpours moving through at that evening commute and into early tomorrow. So this means a soggy drive home tonight and a soggy drive home, or I guess drive to work early tomorrow. Here's a look at 9, 10 o'clock. Still could see an isolated rumble, maybe even waking you up. But again, that opportunity for severe weather, not likely with this round. Tomorrow morning, we had a slight lull, especially along and south of the Ohio River. That's at about 2 to 4 a.m. And then heaviest rain really starts to pick up between about 6 and 9 a.m. Now, even though we likely will see some storms early tomorrow morning before that lunch break, our best chance for severe weather is going to hold off until tomorrow afternoon. So for tonight, heavy pockets of rain possible into about mid-morning tomorrow. 58 degrees, not all that bad. Temps are certainly not an issue quite yet. Tomorrow, that morning drive, I'm going to go with the red light just because we do have some heavy downpours. I think it will cause a few slowdowns. Temperatures climb to the 60s. So what we have going on is the stationary front right now sitting right over the Ohio River Valley. And that's really contributing to this nonstop pattern of rain. And then as it starts to move a little bit later tomorrow and into Friday, we have some cooler air moving in behind it. But we're going to see that strong to severe weather and those warm temps at 70 tomorrow, strong gusty winds before we get that slight cool down on your Friday. So let's talk about the severe weather threats for tomorrow. Most of the area is under a slight risk. That's a yellow, that's a 2 on the scale of 5. We do still have some areas at a marginal risk. That's a 1 on the scale of 5. That's the lowest. This will be the afternoon and evening, so when I'm here with you tomorrow, and this includes all of the tri-state. Now, our number one threat will be damaging winds. There is an opportunity for some isolated large hail, and while low, the tornado risk also exists. Best opportunity is going to be in the east. That's not to say no one else will see it. That's just, of course, where the slight risk is, where a chance is a little bit heightened there. I want to talk about the timing as well to give you a clear view on Futurecast. So again, you'll likely see that heavy rain early tomorrow morning, but our severe threat kicking in right around the time I'm with you here tomorrow, starting at around noon to 2 o'clock is when it really fires up. Better chance right through about 4, 5, 6 o'clock, and then most of the storms are out of here by 9. We're going to hold on to the rain. It's going to continue to roll into your early Friday hours, but then by Friday afternoon, we start to clear. The weekend looking much better. 68 degrees on Saturday, 76 on your Sunday. Saturday's my pick day, sunny, dry. Really nothing to complain about. Sunday, mainly quiet and dry, but we have an isolated shower chance through the second half of the day. We start off partly cloudy on your Monday, more clouds by the time we get into the middle of your work week, but take a look at this. Despite the really easy drop, 57, not all that bad Friday, we quickly warm things up, and then into next week, we're pushing well above normal, and we're sitting close to 80 degrees for the middle of April. That's going to wrap us up in your extended 7-day forecast.